everyone, and welcome to another video on the ST. So today what I wanted to do is show you these kind of dress up kit that you can get from, this is from CEUK, and basically what I'm going to be doing is replacing some of these kind of old, sort of rusty in a way looking horrible little bolts, screws that are holding in things like the headlights, just a few bits around the edge, and the idea is you can choose whatever colour you want, red, green, you know, blue, silver, grey. I've gone for gold because if you've been following my channel, that's the colour theme that I'm going for with this car. I painted the throttle body gold recently, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll pop up a link in the top corner now. It should pop up and you'll be able to click that and watch me refurbish and clean that. But without further ado, yeah, let's crack on and take these off and put these on and see what it looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to, with putting dry, brand new screws through it, I just thought I'm going to use a bit of multi-purpose grease. I haven't got any of that special screw stuff that you can put on threads, but I think this is probably something decent, just maybe help, you know, remove these in the future. To get to the last two that you want to do, it's these two here in the headlight. So you've got to remove the front upper grille in order to do that. A little bit tricky getting them out of there, but as long as you're pulling, just be careful, you'll get them out. And now you've not got a lot of room to work with, but you can pull this back a little bit and just get in to unscrew them. So here we have it. The dress up kit is done and they look really cool. I think when you've got the gold, and I'm going to get the other things done in gold, I'm hoping the light picks these up quite well, but they look awesome. I think it does just sort of give a nicer appearance and freshens up the inside. Now there is those two down here as well. I know they're basically going to be covered up, but they come in the kit, so why not use them? So I've just not put the grill on just so you can see it a bit clearer. But so we've got 1, 2, 3 there, and the fourth on that side, and then on this side we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can also in the pack you can get two different ones, but this one includes the 4 that you can put in the reverse lights, 2 on each side. But I am really pleased with that. I think it's just these little mods that you know you've done, and to a keen-eyed person they're going to spot them. But also if you're looking to have a bit of a show car, it's all the little attention to detail, and having a colour theme. So for example, you know, if your car's red, having like, you know, probably going to have like red hoses and silicone hoses and stuff like that, then having these red kind of dress up kit washers with the new bolts, new screws, I think just makes quite a big difference for something so small. And for the price, highly recommend. Really good quality, and also just nice to know that these are brand new screws that have gone in, so nice, shiny and new, not like if I just compare like some of the old horrible ones. So look at that. That is what they used to look like. What a difference. I think just little things like that. So if you are interested in getting this dress up kit that I've shown you today, it's from CEUK. I got these are from eBay. If you're interested, then I'll pop a link in the description. You can go straight to them, you can choose your colour, and as I said, I think there's two different options where I've done the engine bay and the rear lights setup. I think you can just do the engine bay if you want, because you might not be that bothered about having them at the back, but I'm gonna do that because I think it's just a nice little touch. But yeah, really happy with how the engine bay is slowly coming out now. I think the gold and the black theme is going to look awesome when it's done. As I've mentioned in a previous video, you've got these 3 yellow parts, which I'm going to spray paint them gold. I think they're quite nice. I'm probably going to leave them, or I might get caps for them. And I think, as I mentioned, but just in case you forgot, if you are interested in how I got this to be a nice gloss finished gold on the throttle body. Maybe you want to do your own. Now, if you are interested in the throttle body, go and have a look at my video on that. I only just uploaded it before this one, so go ahead and check that out. Right, everyone, thanks for watching. If you like these, give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate the subscribers are going up amazingly at the moment. I think I'm on about 230 something at the moment. It'd be amazing if I can hit sort of 300 by Christmas or something. That would be quite a nice little aim. But yeah, thanks all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.